Flip your hiccup cure upside down, literally. Most people reach for water or hold their breath, but science says drinking water upside down can actually stop hiccups instantly. This quirky trick works by confusing your diaphragm, the muscle that goes haywire during a hiccup attack. When you drink from the opposite side of a cup, your body shifts position and your muscles engage in ways they never do during a normal sip. That sudden change throws your diaphragm off its hiccup rhythm, forcing it to reset back to normal. It's like hacking your own body with a move that looks weird but works wonders. Next time hiccups hit, ditch the sugar and scare tactics. Grab a glass, bend over, and sip from the far rim. Watch those hiccups vanish as your friends look on in disbelief.